So, hello and welcome again. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download free sounds for use in your games. The first website is called freesound.org. It is the best free website on the internet. You can download basically all these sounds for free. Just search a sound like this, forest. It is really free to use. And the second website is zapsplat.com. It is also free. There is, as you can see, more than 1,000 free sound, professional sound. It is better a little bit than freesounds.org, but they are basically both amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please share it with your friends. Have a good day.